family, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to do a meal prep, and let me show you the haul from LIDL. I got these whole chicken legs for $2.45 for this pack, $2.44 for this pack. These were $2. This was $3.99, $4. These were $2. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this meat for this week. This really could last me a couple of weeks. 61 cents for a dozen eggs. This is unusual for me to get some of this 5-pound bag of russet potatoes for $1.99. 2 cans of chickpeas, because I love chickpeas when I make salads, and these were 50 cents, 2 for $1. Chunky medium salsa, 95 cents. These were these little mini guacamole cups, just 4. These cost almost as much as the chicken did. English cucumber, 79 cents. Roma tomatoes, I can't remember how much they were. 1 onion and 1 head of iceberg lettuce, which was 59 cents. I got some cream cheese because I was going to make this pasta dish. I'm not sure if I'm going to make that or not. And then New York sharp cheese. This was like one of the cheapest ones. It was $1.45 per bar. So stay tuned, and I'm going to figure out what I want to make this week with this. Okay, so hang with me. Okay, guys, now my receipt is, I spent $29.18. I don't know if you can see that there. And then I went over the receipt and I found out they overcharged me for a couple of things. So I'm going to take it back. I know I pretty much spent $25, but they overcharged me. And I overlooked stuff. Now that we have to wear masks and everything, I'll be in a hurry to get out of there. I'm not like scrutinizing things like I used to. But I still made it under my budget. So I'm going to start the meal prep now. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to roast everything. I'm going to take 4 of the 6 Italian sausages, put them in the oven. I have a pan of bacon. I'm going to put that all in the oven at the same time. And that's one thing about meal prepping. Put everything that you can in the oven if that's what you're going to do. Then I'm going to take 4 of the chicken legs and put them in. I'm going to do that, just going to cook that up, and I still have 2 legs left. This can last me over a week. I still have 2 more of the sausages left. Still have half the bacon left, and that's good. And so I'm going to boil some of these eggs. I'm going to fry these potatoes up like fried potatoes and onions, country style. I haven't had carbs in a while, so I'm craving carbs like crazy. So I'm going to fry these up, and then I have to kind of start working and get everything all out. Then I'll kind of decide what direction I want to go. So I'll be back. Now, guys, when I cut my onion, I cut the ends off and I save these. If the skin's okay, I'll save these, freeze them. So I will always have an onion for some stock. I cut this part off. Put that aside. I'll put that in a freezer bag. So on my next meal prep, I'll have an onion. If if it's not in the budget to buy, if I'm short on money or whatever, at least I'll have some onion. Okay, I'm making my country fried potatoes, and I use that bacon grease from the bacon that I cooked, and then I'm gonna cook these down a little bit. Then I'll add the onions. Hey family, now one of my meals is going to be a salad. This one is a chef salad. It has smoked turkey, bacon, an egg, cucumbers, tomato, and the lettuce, and 2 slices of the New York sharp cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to put one of these guacamole cups with each salad. And then the other one is meat-free. Well, it does have an egg on it. It has chickpeas, because I got 2 cans of chickpeas, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, cheese. So it does have, an animal protein, but and chickpeas. I like it. I like it like that. So I only make up my salads like 4 days in advance. And so I have that for one of my meals. Okay guys, now here are my fried potatoes. That's all 5 pounds. Well, there was one that was kind of bad, so I threw that away. The fried potatoes and onions. I have bacon here. See, I already put some bacon in my salads, and this could be putting my gloves on. You hear the rustling. Okay, so then one of these sausages, maybe one day. And I'll put a little bit. Potatoes do raise your blood sugar, so on the days I work out, I might have some carbs. All right, and then I'll put an egg in here. That's one day. Then another day, get the potatoes, have some bacon, and I have an egg. And that's all I'll eat for breakfast. And I still have 6 more eggs in the refrigerator, so I have plenty of food. Okay, so those are breakfasts. So we got breakfast here. You see that? Sausage one day, bacon one day. I have my salads. Okay, and here are the 4 chicken legs, and I'll just go on and put one in there. Still have potatoes if I want potatoes, or I can have the salad. Put some of that juice on there, and that'll be dinner. I normally will eat my salad, my last meal, because it's less glycemic. I might eat that for lunch, but I'm just showing you this, guys, just showing that there are options out here. You can make it work. And I'll have everything that I like. Everything, I won't go hungry. And I'm not wasteful. And I just wanted to show you guys, you don't have to be wasteful. Just buy a bunch of stuff just because, of marketing and how they place stuff in the grocery store. You can eat okay. You can eat nicely, save some money, and don't give in to, them trying to make you buy more, because we end up throwing so much away. Cantaloupe. This is a very nice and fresh, juicy cantaloupe. I haven't had a good one in a long time. I could pick a good watermelon, but I'm not sure always how to pick a good cantaloupe. And so, I have that for dessert, a nice healthy dessert, get some vitamins that way. And then if I want a little snack, I'll slice off some of this cheese. Still have turkey left. I have a low-carb snack, a couple slices of cheese and a turkey. Still got these boiled eggs left, and I have 6 more in the refrigerator. Also have some cream cheese here. You could just, take a little bit of that. So, yeah, so my motivation is just to encourage people, just to be a little bit more thoughtful and resourceful when you grocery shop. It's they have it set up for you to buy more than you need. We end up wasting so much of this stuff, and then people that really need food can't get it. And so, this is all the things that I like. My fried potatoes. Every now and again, I'll get some potatoes and all of this, and a salad, and see, I only eat chicken most of the time. Chicken, and good meal. You won't starve eating like this. All right, guys, so just wanted to share that with you, and it's been a pleasure cooking with you guys today. And if you like content like this, I welcome you to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and follow me on Instagram, Tanya's Tasteful Table. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Tastemakers. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video. Bye.